In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through on how to connect your computer or your laptop to Wi-Fi, okay, or Wi-Fi, whichever way you want to call it. So it's cool. The first step you have to take is to on the phone or maybe the router where you want to get the internet connection from. Okay, if your mobile phone, your smartphone has internet connection and you want to tap the data or connect to the data on your phone, look for hotspot section and turn it on. Okay. If it's a general router that gives internet connection to people, okay, let me assume it's already turned on. So the next thing you want to do is just to connect your computer device to it. I'm using Windows 11 on this my PC. You can see that. So, but any other PC OS still follow the same steps. Okay. All right. After turning on the hotspot of the other device you want to get your internet connection from, all right, come down to this section of your PC. Okay, this allows you to perform some actions as quick as possible. So tap on there. You can see that it has the internet icon, audio icon, and the battery icon. So tap in there. All right. The next thing is to get to this the internet icon section and tap on that drop down. This will show you some devices whose hotspots are turned on already. By default, I'm connected to this. This is already connected to internet. But let's assume that I want to connect to the same option, which that device with the name GTech. It can be a router, it can be a smartphone, a hotspot section. Okay, so I'll tap on that name, tap on the name, click on the name of the device you want to connect to, just like I have done here. Alright, if you want to connect to that hotspot automatically, just check this box, connect automatically. But if not, you can uncheck it, okay? Then the next step is to click on the connect button. Okay, as we do that, you may be required to enter password if the device you want to connect the internet to is passworded. Alright, so we may be required to enter the password of that device. So if it's a public router, you're supposed to know the password or maybe a request from the owner to issue you to give you the password. Okay, so here I want to connect it to a smartphone whose name is GTech. So the next thing I have already been given the password. So I will type in the password there. Alright. After that, hit the next button. Alright, once the system verifies that the password is correct, the connection will be established. So that means you are done with the Wi-Fi connection. So with that, you can now start browsing the web from your phone using the internet on that phone on this in your computer on your computer. So it just involve a few steps and you get the job done. So it's still trying to check network requirements to make sure everything's in place. Alright, as you can see, the connection has been established. Okay, so what it means is that the password inserted is correct. So with this, I can decide, okay, let me just browse the internet here on that device. You can decide to start browsing the internet. Okay, so these are just the few steps you have to take to connect to Wi-Fi on your device. I hope this helps. Please do well to subscribe to my channel. If you maybe you have some videos you want to cover on Windows 11 or some other Microsoft apps, please do well to leave us in the comment section. Okay, thank you and stay good. As you can see, GTech is connected and is secured, so the internet is up. So can now start browsing the internet, the web from this system. Thank you and stay good. One.